So galing kami ng DJI at kami ay bumili ng washing machine.
Wow. Hello everyone! Today is a very happy day for us. Because DJI Air 2S was just released yesterday and we went straight to the store to buy it. So we bought the Fly More combo. Yes, so we will unbox it in a while. So why did we choose the Air 2S when there is a DJI Mini 2 and then there is a MAVIC Air 2? I'm sorry, because according to what we watched, it has a bigger camera, a bigger sensor, so it's supposed to capture the video. I guess the video quality is much better, and it's the newest technology, so it has more features. So that's why we decided to get this rather than the Mavic 2 or the Mini. And plus, they said it has a better obstacle avoidance, which is gonna be helpful for us because we are beginners. We haven't flown any type of drone, so this is our first purchase, and I guess I can say we're pretty happy, right? And we are pretty excited. So tomorrow we will take this for a test flight, and we cannot wait anymore to unbox it. So here we go. Alright, so let's open it. And by the way, here in China, if you want to fly a drone, if it's above 250 grams, you have to register. So that's something that I will try later, and then I will also share the link with you guys. So if you are interested in flying a drone here, you have to register it. Okay. Wow. So this is what it looks like. There's a bag and then some accessories. So let's try to open it. You have the quick start guide. It's already there. And the bag. It's a nice bag. It smells new. Nothing else. And then let's figure out how to open it. So this is what it looks like. This is the actual aircraft. Wow. This weighs 595 grams. So, as you can see, there are 4 sensors at the top, at the back, and then at the bottom. So it has like 4-way obstacle avoidance, but it doesn't have any sensor at the side, so we have to be careful. It's in the bag. What is this one? Chargers, because this comes with 3 batteries, and then I think this is the charging pod where you can like put the 3 and then charge them. I have to remember how to put it back. Have the controller, and what is this heavy? I think these are the batteries. Yes, get 1. So you get 3 batteries. The third one is attached on the aircraft, on the drone, and then the charger. What else is there? What's in here? Disclaimer and safety guides. Oh, and then there you get the propellers. They look like candies. You get how many sets. They have some labels. This BBB. I don't know what this is. What is this, mirror? Like, what is it? Ah! ND filters. So it's not like makeup kit. It looks like it. So it's like packed in a nice plastic case. So you do get ND filters. And then you also have these connectors. There's 2 Type-C's and then 1 Type-C to micro USB connecting to the phone. And then the joysticks. We'll later figure that out, and probably something for the charging, I guess. And then that's it. That's everything here. Unboxing complete. Assemble it and then charge, and let me try to read the manual so that tomorrow we are ready to fly it out and then see. I hope we don't crash it, but if in case we do, we also bought like a DJI Care. It's like Apple Care, but it's only good for 1 year. And if you crash it, you have to pay. If you are able to retrieve the broken drone, you only have to pay 10%, and then they will give you a brand new one. So if you cannot recover it, you have to pay 50%, but still that's not bad. So at least we have that. Another thing is it doesn't come with a memory card, so we also bought a memory card to put here, and we'll also figure out where to put it, and we'll share it with you guys. So yeah, we are trying to figure out this is like the workstation. We are trying to figure out how to assemble it. So first thing, you have to download the app, which we will do in a bit. Then it says you can remove this one, the cover. Please press the notch to remove the gimbal protector before turning on power. Okay, we're not gonna remove it because we're not gonna turn it on yet. And then it says like you face this way, and then you have to open. So like this. And then this one goes downwards, and then this one goes like this. Okay. So now it's like this. It's a lot bigger. And then after that, we need to attach the propellers. And then at the propellers, there's a label. I don't know if you get there. There's B, and then there's an A. So we just have to follow the instructions where the B and the A goes. So it says here this is a B, and then this is an A. So it has to go here. So let's see if it's easy to figure out. Okay, and then it snaps. So you have to press down and then turn. Round thing here, and then you can see this one. You have to put it in, and then you can see there's a slot where this snapping part, like you have to align. Okay, sorry. You have to align and then push it down. The twist. Sorry. Then that's it. And then you can open. Ah, cool. And there you go. It's ready. And then we have to also open our controller. Just like this. Wow. And we have to put these sticks. And then it says you have to pull this one. Ah. And then here you can see when you pull it out, there are cables. How to pull it? Oh, there you go. To connect to an Apple one. And then the other end is Type C. So I guess that's all what the other cables are for. And then you just put your phone here in between. Awesome. And it holds the phone very securely. Ha. Okay. After that, and lastly, we just, I guess, charge the battery. We keep all these propellers. You can check, press it to check the battery level once. Is that true? Yeah. So seems no battery, it's not working. So let's try it. Please charge to activate the battery before using for the first time. So to remove it, you just have to like press this, I guess. Alright, yeah, you have to press these sides and then just yank it out. Okay, let's try to charge all the 3 batteries so that we are ready for tomorrow. They say the battery is expensive, so that's why we just buy the Fly More combo because the battery is around $7.99. Looks like this, and it has a green light. But it's interesting. It seems it's charging it not all at the same time, but rather one at a time. Why is that? You can see it's charging this one first. So let's see if the others would light up. What else is left to do? There's a step 7. It's just instructing like which side it is. The left joystick, this one is up and then this one is down. And then this one is like turn, let me think about it. Turn counterclockwise, turn clockwise. So the drone would fly like these, like that. And then just up and down. And then the right one is if you push up, it's like push forward, push backward, and then this one is going sideways. If you go on the left, the drone moves to the left and moves to the right. Okay. So that's something for me to remember tomorrow. I'm sure it would take time for me to process, but I am super excited. So I hope that you guys kind of found this interesting. At least what you get on the Fly More combo, aside from the drone, you get 3 pairs of propellers, controller, 3 batteries, the charging pad. I don't know if you would call it a charging pad. Yeah, that's it. And then the bag, of course, these cables, and last. So on the other side is where the memory card would be. It's a micro SD. I think we have that here. Okay, got this one too. Okay, that's in place. So that's nice. Let's see you guys tomorrow.
So that's a wrap, guys. We'll see you on our next adventure. And don't forget to share, to like, and to subscribe. #Kaya Everything. Thank you!